The next adjustment that we want to do is we want to set the pressure switch safety on the reactivation airflow. The reason we want to do that is in the event the reactivation airflow ever gets restricted or severed, we want to be able to shut off the reactivation heat as a precaution. We never want that reactivation heater to over temperature that area of the desiccant wheel. So we've got a simple pressure switch that measures the negative pressure from the fan into this area. So what we want to do is, in a clockwise fashion, take a flathead screwdriver, and we are going to rotate clockwise until we lose the reactivation heater contactor, which we can audibly hear and also visually see via the reactivation heater light on the front access panel. So you heard that. You can see the reactivation light come off. You can see that the definite purpose contactor also was severed power. You can see that visually there where the plunger now came up. So now we lost the reactivation heat. So what we want to do at this point, we want to back this set screw off roughly half of a turn until that reactivation light comes back on. So you'll notice that the reactivation heaters came back on, and we should be good to go. Now the additional test that we'd like to achieve here is to prove that we're losing airflow in some way or fashion. So to do that, a simple way is to provide a restriction across the reactivation outlet. You can do this with your hand, or you can do it with a piece of paper, but if you put your hand over it, you'll see that gauge drop, and you can audibly hear that contactor disengage.